I request our chairman, Mr. Nagaprasad Tumula, to felicitate our chief guest, Ms. Sadhana Somashekar, with a memento.
Gratitude is one of the most effective ways to increase your own happiness and the happiness of others. There are countless ways to express appreciation and thankfulness, but very few must have thought that pure poetry can express your gratitude. To conclude the formal proceedings of the evening, I request our Vice Principal, Ms. Aarti Kataria, who, with her personalized and special touch, has transformed experiences, to propose the vote of thanks.
Very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It is with much pleasure that I stand before you today to give thanks for all the talents on display. First, to God for affording us the opportunity to get together once again in our little community. Once more, we say thank you to the children in our care, wishing them luck as we offer up a prayer. Their goals and aspirations will have no bounds as they would move onwards to ever higher grounds. Our chief guest spoke with such inspiration. Mrs. Sadhana, for you, we have only admiration. Your address to the children taught them about never giving up, and your words of wisdom will forever fill their cup. To our beloved Sir Shomi, you are our guiding light, our show me. You turn the children into sunshine and encourage them to dream, fostering and nurturing the seeds of self-esteem. Thank you, our chairman, Mr. Nagaprasad Tumula from People Combine, for taking the time to address these children of mine. Your presence here today means the world to them as they perform, and I'm certain, taking inspiration from you, they can withstand any storm. Thank you, our Managing Director, Mr. Raj Shekhar. You have a real magic wand in your hand. You guide and allow people to settle for nothing but the best. And now, no navigations, landmarks, or directions, because success has a new address. We thank our Joint Managing Director, Mr. Prasanna, for you empowered us with the power of knowledge. You motivated us with the best of tutelage. You helped us move ahead with unending motivation. As a leader and a human being, you are a true inspiration. Thank you, our Deputy Managing Director, Mr. DVRK Prasad. Your magic creation shows as such in this how mighty are your works that no one can ever miss. You turn everything into a shining star, a true creator that you are. Thank you, our COO, Mr. Yogesh Sethi. The key to success rests in people like you, for being a guiding light and for teaching us to do what is always right. Thank you to our members of EMT and SMT for building our trust. We know that you always care. Because of that, we can now do great things that before we wouldn't dare. And now I thank my Board of Advisors and my dear parents for your support, both in academics and in sport. Your dedication, commitment, and support you have surely displayed. Thank you, parents, for all the efforts that you have made. Mr. Yogandhar Reddy, our esteemed director, you have always been our protector. Thank you for all you have done. Your support is comparable to none. Our dear principal, Miss Hema, thank you for having no limits or seema. Under your guidance, these children have grown, and many happy times in the school they have known. You take life as a happy song. Your ideals are so inspiring, so strong. Just like an angel sent from above, you provide us all with your unconditional love. Thanks to Miss Vani, the headmistress of our school, whose work certainly is always on schedule. Oh, she's an enlightened soul, and preparing us for the future is her only goal. From milestones to targets to motivation and progress, thank you, our bursar, Mr. Prasad, our admin team, our support team, our transport team. You have worked so tirelessly, whether hidden or seen. To our coordinators and teachers, our gratitude we bestow for helping our children spiritually to grow. You work hard every single day of the week, helping them to find all that they may seek. Together, we give the children two essential things. One is roots and one is wings. Roots to tell them where they have been, wings to discover things they have never seen. And finally, thank you all for allowing me the time to say thank you in a rhyme. May you all have the most enjoyable day. God's blessings to you as you go along your way. Thank you very much and have an enjoyable evening.
Thank you, ma'am. That was the most unique way of expressing gratitude. You have enveloped us in a warm shower of good feelings and abundance. I request all our honored guests on stage to join the audience and be a part of the cultural bonanza that would unfold in a few minutes.
Music is a universal language of the soul, where life becomes a celebration and the world becomes one family. When young talents come together to produce music, we have to ourselves a delightful and one-of-a-kind tradition. Be prepared to enjoy the rhythmic beats and march to the tunes of our own drums as you listen to the famous soundtracks of the Hindustani and the Pirates of the Caribbean theme, detuned in classical Indian ways. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our musicians as they come together with these beautiful Indo-Western adaptations.
This performance has truly been a source of sheer delight. Seeing these talented musicians move with ease between an array of instruments was indeed breathtaking.
You know, Ragini, when a principal in her report recited the lines from W.H. Davies, "What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare." My thoughts wandered off to the world of mystery and fantasy. As a young child, I used to get lost in the tales of fairies and elves, prince and princesses, and the happily ever after. Even today, the stories of Cinderella, Snow White, Robinson Crusoe, Rip Van Winkle never fail to uplift my mood. I still remember my first copy of the intricate, hand-finished detail book of Red Riding Hood. Oh, how I used to gape at the pictures and escape into the land of castles and forests.
Sanjog, are you suggesting that you read fairy tales at this age?
Why not, Ragini? Age is not a factor to enjoy. And today, the theme being Jashan, celebration of life, I will let you into a little secret. The secret to celebrating life is by pampering the child in you.
Oh, but why exactly have you broached this subject?
You ask too many questions, don't you?
I suppose I do, but I think you should feel proud of me, for I am exhibiting all the traits of an inquisitive learner.
I agree there with you, Ragini. Well, to satisfy your curiosity and also of our audience who might be wondering about the next program lined up for them, you are about to witness a story bound to create a mesmerizing effect with its fantastical adventures, verbal narrative, music, dance, and emotions. We bring before you the most awaited musical drama, Zangura, inspired by the Kingdom of Dreams.
We all have very fond memories of curling up in bed and disappearing into another world where dragons fly and princes fight. Our memories of overwhelming excitement when mom said she would read aloud a fairy tale and mornings would linger with previous night's fantasies. Let us relive those moments of innocent pleasure with Zangura, the tale of the gypsy prince.
Welcome to the land of the illustrious King Dushyant, a fortuitous warrior who had returned victorious from several conquests and was well known for his scrupulous judgments. In short, the kingdom trusted him to be the reincarnation of gods on earth.
Peace, prosperity, and justice prevails in the kingdom of Tushara at all times. As the curtains unfold, we see the mighty Dushyant anxiously pacing outside the queen's quarters. The quiet was interspersed by the intermittent shrieks of a woman experiencing the pangs of motherhood.
My lord, praise the Almighty, my lord. It's time for celebrations. Our Savior has arrived. The Queen has given birth to a boy.
Ah, we have got a prince for our kingdom. Thank you, Almighty. Let the celebration begin. Invite the entire kingdom. We'll have a feast today.
Hail King Dushyant! Hail King Dushyant! Hail King Dushyant! Hail King Dushyant! Hail King Dushyant!
सारे, खाके दूध बता सारे, आयो भोगी अबा सारे, देखो देखो तमाशा रे। ओ रंगीले रंगीले पल है, चमकीले चमकीले पल है, बरसे झिलमिल करते लाखों तारे। अलबेले अलबेले तन है, लचकीले लचकीले तन है, कोई अपना दिल कैसे न हारे। ओ मैं तन मैं मन मैं जान मैं जगह, होश भी जोश भी मैं सब मैं अब। बाबरे 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 बाबरे, ओ क्या धुन है क्या तान सुन ले, करके तू कमाल सुन ले। बाबरे बाबरे बाबरे, कोई आगे उगलता रे, कोई तार बदलता रे, कोई गेंद उछाले रे, कोई मौज संभाले रे। ओ देखो रे भैया, कोई घूमे बढ़ के भैया, कोई ऊपर मिलता लांगा मारे रे। ओ देख देख बाजी कर देखो, पैर ऊपर नीचे सब देखो, देखे मैंने जो ये खेले हारे। अरे मैं तन मैं मन मैं जान मैं जगह, होश भी जोश भी मैं सब मैं अब। क्या ताल सुन ले, करके तू कमाल सुन ले। बाबरे बाबरे बाबरे, कांच की गुड़िया फोटो में बांधे प्रेम की पुड़िया, नाव से खोले ना मुंह से बोले, पलकों पे रख के आंखों से तोले। नाव से खोले ना मुंह से बोले, पलकों पे रख के आंखों से तोले।
सुनिया 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 सुनिया, मिस्री से मीठी आंखों में बंद है बातें रसीली। हाँ नाव ने खोले ना मुंह से बोले, पलकों पे रख के आंखों से तोले। नाव ने खोले ना मुंह से बोले, पलकों पे रख के आंखों से तोले। झूम चमेली झांझर वाली, झूम चमेली झांझर वाली।
पहाड़ी पार चलना है तो पर्वत हटा दूं, खटाओं में कहीं छुपना है तो सावन बुला दूं।
महुआ महुआ महका 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 महुआ महुआ।
ओरे कांच की गुड़िया फोटो में बांधे प्रेम की पुड़िया, नाव से खोले ना मुंह से बोले, पलकों पे रख के आंखों से तोले। नाव से खोले ना मुंह से बोले, पलकों पे रख के आंखों से तोले।
slaughtering people. Please help us. Please help us.
Dushyant, your reign is over. The kingdom will be mine. Your death awaits you.
No, this can never happen. It is my kingdom. These are my people. I will protect them till my last breath. I will tear you apart before you can even lay your dirty hands on my kingdom. This can never be yours.
Dushyant, your death awaits you. I'll take over your land, your people, and your wealth. I will turn you into ashes.
Run away. This palace is no longer safe for our son. Run away to some safer place. Save the kingdom's pride.
Oh, what misery has befallen on our land! How can I leave you behind? But this cruel man! Oh, Heavenly Father, why confront me with this sinister choice to make? Choose between a husband and a son.
Don't worry about me. I will join you once I've taken care of this devil. Run now!
Ah, come on!
After a few days of incessant lone traveling, she reaches the jungle. To avoid being followed by Shakun's men, the queen sheds off her lavish attire and dresses plainly. She calls herself a gypsy who had lost her husband in a flood.
She raises Zangura. That is what she had named him in an abandoned cave. To her delight, watching Zangura grow up was a bundle of joy that kept her going even as she sighed over a cruel turn of fate. Despite life's ups and downs, quite unaware of his true identity, baby Zangura was a playful, endearing and lovable boy. After a few months, afraid of being discovered by Shakun, the queen decides to abandon the wilderness and look for a settlement in human civilization. She arrives at a gypsy land.
Come on, son. Try to catch me.
Oh, I can't catch you. You're too fast.
You should never say no. Come here. I will tell you a story.
A story? Yes, I like listening to stories.
Sure, son. In the forest horizon, you see the dusk and wild atmosphere? A sign for the birds to come home after a long day.
Yes, I see them hurrying homeward.
They are carrying food for their babies.
Then why did you give food to the cow and her calf? Can she feed herself and her baby?
Love you, my son. Yes? Who are you and where have you come from?
Oh, sir, I'm a gypsy's wife from a faraway village. Last month, our village has been washed away by the floods.
Oh, I'm extremely sorry about your loss. How can I help you?
We just need a place to stay. I won't be a burden to you. I'll work here on your fields. I just need shelter.
Yes, you can stay with us as long as you want. We have a big heart. Now, we welcome you both to our society.
मटर गश्ती खुली सड़क में तगड़ी तड़क भड़क में ओले गिरे सुलगते से सड़क में छतरी न थी बगल में आया ही ना अकल में कि भागे हम या भीगे हम अकड़ में तो सोचा फिर गीला हुआ है जो सुखाना हो चाहे जनाना या मर्दाना हो अटेंशन का नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा वही मुझे पासा तेरी ऐसी की होता है जिंदगी का नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा वही मुझे पासा चिरकुट जिंदगी you know जनाना न मर्दाना पकड़ पाना है का नया पासा फिर दे गई झांसा वही मुझे फांसा चिरकुट जिंदगी यू
pass by, and Zangura grows up along with the village kids, quite unaware of his real identity. He learns to value the simple pleasures of life and blossoms into a man of strength and virtue, much like his father, King Dushyant.
We are grown-ups now. Our parents are growing old. And you are so good at martial arts. I think it's time for us to leave the village and start a new life in the capital.
You are right, my dear friend. I can be a part of the Royal Army. I can take part in wars.
Let's give a respectful life to our folks now. I think it's time for us to leave behind the comforts of our home and start earning our own livelihoods. Come, let's tell our parents what we have decided.
I am sure they will be glad with our decision.
The flourishing land, the city of joy, Gandhara, was ruled by King Gandharvaraj. His strength and his unprejudiced administrative ways were known far and wide for the love and care he showered upon his people.
Let's begin the Swayamvar. Bring the princess by my side.
आयो रे भाया रंगीलो मेहमान, छोरा छोरी फर्क न समझे मारे सब पे छलांग। आयो रे भाया रंगीलो मेहमान, अरे छोरा छोरी फर्क न समझे मारे सब पे छलांग। मरवाएगा तू पिटवाएगा तू, मत कर मत कर मत कर मत कर, घर की छोकरो आयो रे बढ़ के मारो मेहमान। अरे घर की छोकरो आयो रे बढ़ के मारो मेहमान। रंगी पोशाक पहन तू कौन गांव से आयो, तू पटना से या बाड़न से या पटियाला से आयो। रंगी पोशाक पहन तू कौन गांव से आयो, तू पटना से या बाड़न से या पटियाला से आयो। तेरा नाम तो होगा भाया रे जो स्कूल में था लिखवाया रे। तेरा नाम तो होगा भाया रे जो स्कूल में था लिखवाया रे। तेरा कोई पता तो होगा राशन कार्ड। ओ तेरा कोई पता तो होगा राशन कार्ड। अरे बादल चीर के टपका तू या आया धरती फाड़। मरवाएगा तू पिटवाएगा तू, मत कर मत कर मत कर मत कर, घर की छोकरो आयो रे बढ़ के मारो मेहमान। घर की छोकरो आयो रे बढ़ के मारो मेहमान। तू दुनिया में अकेलो है, हमें फिक्र घनी सतावे रे तुझे। अम्मा ताई अपनी लुगाई कुछ भी याद न आवे रे। तू दुनिया में अकेलो है, हमें फिक्र घनी सतावे, तुझे अम्मा ताई अपनी लुगाई कुछ भी याद न आवे। तू जैसो भी है भाया रे तने यार हमने बनाया रे। तू जैसो भी है भाया रे तने यार हमने बनाया रे। अच्छा है जो खो गई यादें, झगड़ा ना तकरार। अच्छा है जो खो गई यादें, झगड़ा ना तकरार। अरे ना तो किसी से लेना देना, ना कोई सर पे उधार। प्यारो तू लागे भोलो तू लागे, मत कर
the celebrations.
I am Zoravar, the victor, and the son of mighty King Shakun. No one can defeat me. Zoravar the fearless. Mighty kings have surrendered their arms in front of me and accepted my slavery. My name echoes in the mountains and valleys, and the one who dares to come in my way of victory dies.
If you have come here to participate in the Swayamvar, then show us your skills and impress her.
Can stop me from winning her in this Swayamvar. She will be mine forever.
Gods, pronounce death on him at once. How dare he touch my daughter?
My lord, Zoravar has magical powers. He has flown away with our princess to the land of beasts. We are helpless.
Great misery befalls the land of God. About the princess's fate. Quite helplessly, they plead for God's mercy and desperately hope that some miracle might rescue their beloved princess.
Someday, you will be the cause of my death.
If you wish to be a part of the royal army, you have to learn the tricks to defend yourself.
No. I don't want to be part of any army. How I wish I could spend my life gazing at the wonders of the beautiful sky in pleasant idling.
Oh, you coward! Your philosophies are sumptuous food for thought. But that doesn't appease the real hunger, brother. Would you eat something now?
Yes, why not? I'm starving now.
Come, let's eat together.
Do you remember how we used to play hide and seek in the village back in our younger days?
Yes, I remember everything. What wonderful days were those?
No worries, my friend. God will help us. Soon, we'll get ourselves some work. God is great.
Issued a decree. Whoever retrieves the princess from the villainous hands of Zoravar will claim her hand in marriage and will be showered with riches and given a prestigious position in the army.
The princess is in danger? Who will save her from the beast's palace? I've heard of the villainies of Zoravar. No one has ever returned from his clutches.
Nakul, Such words of cowardice are but a shame. Don't you wish to become a warrior?
No, never. I am comfortable being a coward. I can't fight the beasts.
Nakul, this is our chance to make all our dreams come true. And why should we worry? Lord Shiva will watch over us.
Zangura, I know you want to be part of the royal army, but we can't risk our lives. It's dangerous. Perhaps you haven't heard of Zorawar. He's the devil himself. I'm afraid, very afraid. Please understand what I'm trying to say.
No, Nakul. I don't wish to understand anymore. I'm going. I can't take this any longer. If you wish to come with me, come.
Wait, Zangura! Wait! I'm coming!
Oh God, how is my princess, my sweetheart, that beast of a man? Let thunder and lightning strike him before his wild hands touch my darling daughter.
Send the army, wage a war and bring her back. Oh Lord, keep her safe. Let no harm befall her.
Patience, Your Majesty. A journey till the end, accompanied by a friend. He with the mark will fight through the dark, an element of treason. When time comes to reason, he will encounter the hags with drops from rags. Face the fearsome beast, make the choice of least. Return with a girl, and peace will unfurl.
My lord, 2 village boys have arrived, and they wouldn't budge an inch unless shown to you. Who are they? Send them in!
Greetings, my lord. We have come here to save the princess from Zorawar.
We will risk our lives to bring back Princess Nandini. Trust us, my lord.
Your promise, young man, is beyond your years, but you know not what menace you promised to undertake.
This boy, Your Majesty, is by no means an ordinary mortal. If my 80 years of learning are to be trusted, this is the man. Peace will prevail.
If he is already empowered with the prowess of the mascot, then who am I to stop him? Go, son! We know our death and victory shall be yours. Come home, my little princess, and she will be yours forever. This kingdom and I will be grateful to you.
Death is inevitable, Your Majesty. It would be an honor to die for a noble cause.
Your Highness, bestow him with the holiness of the loving spirits. Take this with you. It has essential elements that will prevent you from the dangers.
Laden with the trust of the king and strong determination, Zangura proceeds towards the jungle to look for Zorawar.
Feel me twice, feel me more, I'll shoot you outside. You better keep running if you want to survive. 'Cause every night I dream of watching you
Let's rest here for some time. It's getting dark. We should continue our journey in the morning. It would be dangerous walking in the dark. I sense some supernatural presence here.
Come along, Nakul. Every moment is precious.
Oh! I see a light over there.
Nakul! Nakul, where are you? Are you there? Nakul! Nakul, we have no time to waste. This is not the right time to play hide and seek. Nakul!
Help me! No! There's a ghost over there! Help me! No! No! Don't kill me! Please! Don't kill me! Please don't kill me! Please! No! No! Don't kill me! Please don't kill me! No! 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 Oh! Oh!
Nakul! Nakul, wake up, Nakul! Nakul, it's me, Zangura, your friend. The ghosts have gone.
He's not here? He ran away because of this water? Holy water?
Do you recollect? The priest said this water would save our lives. It's sacred water.
Thank God it saved our lives.
Let's leave this place before any other ghost comes.